Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with lesson number 10. The name of the lesson is Neighbors and Neighborhood. So, all of you open textbook page number 54 with me and we will start reading the lesson. Mummy, I have to go to Simi's house next door. It's her birthday today. She has called all the children of the neighborhood to celebrate it. Please take out the party dress for me. So here Saina is asking her mother to remove a party dress for birthday celebration of a friend whose name is Simi and who stays in the neighborhood. So today we are going to study about what is the meaning of neighborhood and what is the meaning of neighbors. The area around a house is a neighborhood. The people living near a house are our neighbors. Everybody needs a good neighborhood. So these lines tell us about that the area which is around a house is called as neighborhood. The place where we live is our house, and the place which is around a house, the place which is near a house is called a neighborhood, and the people living near a house are called as neighbors, and everybody needs good neighborhood. So what are the qualities of good neighbors we are going to see over here? Good neighbors help each other in the time of need. They share each other's joys and sorrows. Neighbors celebrate festival and special occasions together. Children of neighborhood play together. So these are the qualities of good neighbors, that they help each other in the time of need. They share their joys and sorrows with each other. They celebrate all the festivals and special occasions together. Children play together. Grandma says we must respect the religion and customs of our neighbor. So, children, there are different people of different religion and customs living around a house. So, we should respect their religion, we should respect their customs, and we should also enjoy the festivals together with them. Saina wants to know. Write two special occasions you celebrate with your neighbors. So you have to write two special occasions which we celebrate with your neighbor. So you can write birthday over here. I celebrate birthday with my neighbors, and you also celebrate anniversaries. For example, marriage anniversary and other festivals like Diwali, Holi, whatever festivals you celebrate, you can write the answer over there. Be a good neighbor. Be helpful and friendly. Keep the neighborhood clean. Help others in the time of need. Do not disturb your neighbors. So, these are some more qualities of a good neighbor, that whenever a neighbor comes for help, we should always be helpful to them in the times of need. We should be friendly with them. We should keep our neighborhood clean, and we should not disturb the neighbors. Means you should always not go in the house of your neighbor and spend time over there. You should give them their privacy. So you should not disturb your neighbors, you should be friendly with them, and we should keep the neighborhood clean, because cleanliness is next to godliness. Now over here we are going to study about the services in a neighborhood. Services in a neighborhood. A good neighborhood has many useful services. These services help us to make our lives easy and comfortable. So we are going to study about the different services which a good neighborhood provides us, which makes our life comfortable. First is the school. Children go to school to learn, to read, write, and play. They also learn good habits and manners there. So, the first place which we are going to learn about is the school. We know that children go to school, we learn, write, read, play, sing, dance, and do many other activities in the school. We learn good habits and good manners in the school. The second service which the neighborhood provides is the post office. Post office sells postcard, envelopes, and stamp. We can send letters, postcard, money orders, and parcels through it. We post our letters in the post box. A postman takes them to the post office. The post office sends the letter to different places. A postman delivers these letters to us. So the second service is of the post office. Post office is the place where we get postcard, letters, and stamp. We find postman in the post office. We post the letter in the post box. Can you see the letter box over here in this picture? This is the post box. This is the post office. And you can also see a person sitting over here. So it is an important facility which is present in a neighborhood. A postman delivers these letters to us. So when we write a letter, we don't have to go to a person's house and give that letter to the particular person. We have to post that letter. Then the postman will drop that letter to the particular address. Grandma says, we do not post parcels or money order in a post box. We send them directly through the post office. So whenever children we post a letter, we put it in the post box. But for money order and parcel, we have to go to the post office, and from there we can send money. Fun time. Number the picture in the correct order to show the journey of a letter. So we are going to show the journey of the letter. First, we have to write the letter. So this is number 1. Second, we have to post the letter. Third, the postman takes the letter to different places. And fourth, the postman delivers the letter to the particular person to which you have written the letter. So this is the journey of a letter. First you write a letter, second you post a letter, then you drop it in the post box. Postman will post the letter to a particular person on the particular address which is mentioned on the letter. Now let's go to page number 56. The next service which our neighborhood provides is a hospital. A hospital takes care of people who are sick or injured. Doctors and nurses look after the patient. A hospital has an ambulance to bring sick and injured people and give them immediate care. So, we see and we all know that hospital is a place where good care of sick and injured people is taken. Doctors and nurses look after the patient, and ambulance is provided to bring sick and injured people to the hospital and give them proper care and take immediate care of the patients. So this is the picture of the hospital. You can also see ambulance over here. So this is another service which is found in a neighborhood. A nursing home or a clinic is smaller than a hospital and has fewer facilities. So children, a nursing home or a clinic is smaller than a hospital and has fewer facilities. For example, if we have cold and fever, we will not go to a big hospital or a multi-specialty hospital. We will go to a small clinic where the doctor will give us medicines for the fever, and a fever will disappear within 2 to 3 days. But for example, if there is a big case, or if the accident has taken place, then we have to take this patient to a big hospital where all the facilities, all the machinery, all the important medical aids will be available to that person. So a clinic or nursing home is a smaller hospital with few facilities, and a multi-specialty hospital is a hospital which have all the facilities in it. The next service which we see in our neighborhood is the police station. A big neighborhood has a police station. The police help us when we are in trouble. They guard our neighborhood and keep our lives and belongings. Belonging means the things we have safe. So the next picture we see is of a police station. So whenever we have any problem or any robbery takes place, so we go to the police station. The policemen and the police station have the responsibility to keep our lives and our belonging safe. They protect us from the thieves. The next service which we get in our neighborhood is the fire station. This is the fire station. We can see fire engine, and we can also see a firefighter in this picture. Fire station over here. When there is fire, we call the fire brigade from the fire station. A fire engine carries firefighters, water, hose, and ladders to put out fire. So, whenever there is a fire or sudden fire catches up in a building or any place, we call the fire brigade. So, the fire brigade sends fire engine which carries the firefighter, water, hose, and ladders to put out the fire. These men help to put out the fire. They put water with the help of hose and ladders on the particular place which has caught fire. They save lives of different people and many people around us. Firefighter wear special clothes that do not catch fire. They have special clothes so that they can go in the fire. They can switch off gases and all electricity appliances. They have special clothes that they do not get burnt. They save lives of different people around us. So children, this is all for today. Remaining part of the lesson we will continue tomorrow. Bye.